What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? What shall we do with a drunken sailor? Early in the morning, hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises, hooray, and up she rises early in the morning. Put him in a longboat till he's sober, put him in a longboat till he's sober, put him in a longboat till he's sober, early in the morning. And call him Captain, time to the wheel and call him Captain, time to the wheel and call him Captain, early in the morning. Hooray, up hey, hooray, up hey, hooray, up hey, early in the morning. Put him in the bed with a captain's dollar, put him in the bed with a captain's dollar, put him in the bed with a captain's dollar, early in the morning.
For this and for this.
Thank you for being here with me. You're incredible.
So schwer ist die Tür. 2 Hände. Ein Griff.
Thank you for sharing your feelings.
Und dann läuft du gleich noch nehmen. Bitte. Super! Das schaffe ich ja schon. Viel. Ganz große Raum. Halt. Mal wieder so machen.
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
Schon ein bisschen weiter. Machen wir das woanders. Guck mal, hier ist weiter. Der andere Tin hat denn das. Ich sehe uns. Nur ganz kurz und dann ist schon fertig. So. Wann heißt es die, du?
Dann müssen wir 2 zusammen. Ganz voll. Genau, okay.
Reißt?
Da rein. Genau, dankeschön. Danach vorsichtig. Reicht. Okay,
Jetzt.
jetzt machst du.
Vorsichtig. Ja.